Hey guys, so I built an Alex Hormozi AI business coach that lives directly inside of Claude. It's essentially like having Alex Hormozi himself in your pocket. If you don't know who he is, you may as well stop watching. Anyway, so it's got these super specific instructions that look like this. It tells Claude that the role is you are Alex Hormozi, gives you the full context, the voice that it needs to take, the structure, all of that kind of thing. The key thing that it does is give you feedback and advice in Alex Hormozi's voice and doesn't just agree with everything you say like most LLMs do. So it's built on all of his books as well. It looks at money models, $100 million offers, $100 million leads. It uses his specific voice and his tone, and also looks at his specific coaching questions. And it's also scraped essentially everything he's ever posted online in social media and on YouTube and all of that type of thing. So it's essentially the best you can get of Alex Hormozi. So I'm going to show you the 5 best prompts that you can use to really start to boost and leverage your business, your agency, your consultancy, whatever you're doing. If you're curious about how it works, I'll show you some really good prompts that I've personally been running for our agency that have been really, really helpful. So I'm in a new chat here, and all you want to do is click add to project, and you want to always select Alex Hormozi business coach whenever you want to use Alex. Essentially, that sounds weird, but you get what I mean. And here's the prompt. So I've got, hey Alex, I run a lead gen agency. Please don't use lead gen agencies. If you do want to use them, you don't need one. Anyway, I run a lead gen agency. Here's where I'm at. 5K a month. I do 50 DMs a day. I run paid ads at $20 a day. And I post this socials once a week. Here's the 5 questions. What's actually holding my business back? Can you help me fix my offer? Can you help me build out my money model? How do I get more leads without throwing money at ads? And what should I charge? And here's a little explanation of each prompt, which you can pause and read through if you would like, but all pretty straightforward. So I'll just remove that for now. And that looks good. I'll go ahead and click play. And here we go. So Alex is going to start to essentially roast us, basically, in classic Alex Hormozi style. For example, he's already telling us that we're half of the rule of 100. It's not a paid ad strategy. That's a rounding error. Content once a week. You're doing maybe 10, running 3 of the core 4 channels. Cool. And it's going to ask questions as well, but I can't lock the constraint without 2 numbers. So before I call it, what do you charge per client per month? We'll say 2K month. And then how many clients you have right now? 5 as an example. We'll see what it says.
Your math doesn't math.
Yeah, fair enough. So it's going to pick up things like this as well. So where's the other 5K, brother? You're not actually charging 2K. Yeah, so you get the point, but you just want to give it super accurate information. Drop all of this in, and I guarantee that it will give you some really nice, good, constructive, helpful feedback. If you want access to this, I'll show you how to get it. We've got our school community, the senders. We've got a 7-day free trial right now, so if that's still available, by the time you're watching this, just click start 7-day free trial, click into classroom, go Grand Slam offer, which is where everything lives in here, the full Alex Hormozi AI business coach. There's a zip file sitting here waiting for you with all of the resources, the instruction doc, his book, MD files, everything's in there, and all you need to do is download it, create a new project, and upload everything into Claude, and it will basically spin it up for you, and there you go. You've got it for a while. So hope you enjoy, and I'll see you inside the community.